Marhaban. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We're still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Hamza, Ta, and Ya. Ata, Ya'ti, Itian. And that's a verb to come, to bring, to arrive. Conjugation. Ata, he came. Atat, she came. Ataya, they, two men came. Atata, atata, two women came. I like atata. Okay, atau, three men or more came. And ataina, three or more women came. Second person. Ataita, you, singular, male, came. Ataiti, you, singular, female, came. Ataituma, both of you, whether you are two men or two women, came. Ataitum, you lots, all of you men, three or more, came. Ataitunna, all of you women, three or more, came. That's past tense. Present tense. Ya'ti, he comes. Ta'ti, she comes. Ya'tiyani, they, two men, come. Ta'tiyani, they, two women, come. Ya'tuna, they, three or more men, come. And ya'tina, they, three or more women, come. Second person. Ta'ti, you, male, singular, come. Ta'tina, you, singular, female, come. Ta'tiyani, both of you, male or female, two of you, come. Ta'tiyani, it's the same. And ta'tuna, all of you men, come. And ta'tina, all of you women, come. Okay. First person, you say, ati, I come. And na'ti, we come. Done. Shall we do imperative command? Why not? Commanding is singular male. We say, iti, iti, without ya at the end. Iti, or iti. You can say that. Commanding is singular women. You say, iti, with a ya. Iti or iti. Commanding two men or two women. You say, itia, itia, or itia. Commanding a lot of men, three or more, you say, itu or itu. And if you're commanding three or more women, you say, itina or itina. Done. Conjugation. Now, let's illustrate this now with some short, random sentences, shall we? هل يمكن أن آتي إليك اليوم لزيارة قصيرة؟ هل يمكن أن آتي إليك اليوم لزيارة قصيرة? May I come and see you today for a short visit? هل يمكن. يمكن is a verb of possibility, if you like. هل يمكن, would it be possible? أن آتي, to come, إليك, to you, اليوم, today, لزيارة قصيرة, for a short visit. I can say, مع من ستأتي؟ مع من ستأتي? With whom will you come? Who will be in your company? I'm curious. I will say, سآتي لوحدي. I'll come alone by myself. So don't worry, I'll come by myself. Only me. سآتي لوحدي. Another question. كيف تأتي? كيف تأتي? How will you come? How would you get here? Mode of transport, for instance. كيف تأتي? I can say, well, سآتي بالقطار. سآتي بالقطار. I'll come by train, قطار. Or بالسيارة, by car. What else? بالدراجة, by bike, bicycle. Even better, راجلا. سآتي راجلا. I'm going to come on foot, from a رجل, foot. سآتي راجلا. سيرا على الأقدام, if you like. سيرا على الأقدام. Walking, it's good for you. Okay. أهلا وسهلا بك. You must welcome. أنا في انتظارك. I'm waiting for you. أنا في انتظارك. Okay. Then I can say, ما الذي أتى بك إلينا اليوم؟ ما الذي أتى بك إلينا اليوم؟ What brings you to us today? Lucky us today. What brings you here today? ما الذي أتى بك إلينا اليوم? I can say, فقط لرؤيتك لا غير. فقط لرؤيتك لا غير. Just to see you. That's all. Nothing more than that. لا غير. There's nothing more in it more than that. فقط, that's mean only. لرؤيتك, to see you. لا غير, and that's all. أنا مشتاق إليك. أنا مشتاق إليك. I'm missing you. Longing to see you, that's all. You say أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. What else? There is a saying, goes like this. لا تنهى عن خلق وتأتي مثله. لا تنهى عن خلق وتأتي مثله. Do not prohibit a pattern of behavior, then you exhibit the same thing. So we say, practice what you preach. Yes. لا تنهى لا تنهى عن خلق وتأتي مثله. لا تنهى عن خلق وتأتي مثله. Okay. What else? أتى يأتي. اسم فاعل or active participle from that verb is آتٍ. You can say أنا آتٍ إليك الآن. I'm on my way. أنا في طريقي إليك. I'm on my way. I'm coming to see you right now. أنا آتٍ إليك الآن. Okay. آتٍ can also mean coming and the following, such as, so we can say, or if you say سآتيك الأسبوع الآتي. سآتيك الأسبوع الآتي. I'll see you next week. That's mean week coming. أسبوع is week. آتي mean coming. Finally, I can say to you تفاصيل الاتصال بي كالآتي. تفاصيل الاتصال بي تفاصيل الاتصال بي كالآتي. My contact details are as follows. تفاصيل, that mean details. الاتصال, that mean contacting me, be كالآتي, as follows. Here we are, another root letters analyzed for you, illustrated for you, and conjugated as well. It's up to you now to start learning your vocabulary and memorizing some of these phrases that have been given you, and that will engender a lot of confidence in you, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you can, please make donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education, to build an educational resource center for the children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, in Nigeria, southwestern Nigeria. Thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. أحسن الله إليكم. جزاكم الله خيرا. See you next time. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.